Jersey number 5, one and one half, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 1, jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 10, jersey number 10. Pass to jersey 1 up. Jersey 1 up. To jersey 1 and up. Sorry, no ball. Jersey number 18 pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Bola nanti down. Kapten pass to Tauhid. Tauhid pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Charles jersey number 3. Lalu jersey Kapten. Oh. Ball. Bounding jersey number 18, dribbling the ball, jersey number 18, driving to the basket. Steal it. Stealing now ball. Kapten pass to Torkins. Sekarang Very time, 18 minutes. Score 0-1. One ball shot for jersey number 3. So good. Rebound by jersey number 18, number 10. So good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to Kapten. Kapten going to the ball. Oh, another foul to Kapten. There's a foul. Foul by jersey number 18. First personal foul, jersey number 18. So here's pass to Kapten, still number 18. Substitution break. Kapten out. Number 17. Pass on, still number 17. Pass to Lucas. Lucas. Oh, it's a foul. Wala palang foul. Labasan po ang laro natin. Substitution break. Pinoy. Jersey number 17 pass to jersey number 4. With a traveling violation. Jersey number 18 driving to the basket with 2-1. Palarao. Just pass to jersey number 4. Number 4. Oh, in the speed move. Nice. Wow. Number 18. Pass to jersey number 10. It's a foul. Jersey number 4. Foul. Jersey number 14. Seven minutes and 26 seconds. Score 0-2. Ball shot on jersey number 10. Jersey number 17. Pass to number 4. Driving to the basket. Nakuha ni Nunes. Nunes will bring the ball. Oi, tumagos double. Nunes, tumira. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 18. Number 18. No good. Nakuha ni Quino. Quino pass to jersey number 17. Palarao. Palarao. Oi, tumira. Oh, it's a foul. Foul on. Substitution. Timeout. 2 minutes down. Jersey number 18. To play the ball, jersey number 18. Oh, pass to jersey number 14. To number 14. Number 10. Labas ang bola. Pass to. Inbounding jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 4. Number 4. Oi, tumene. It's a foul. On jersey number 30. Palarao. Steve University of Brady. Goaltending violation, jersey number 10. Substitution. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, jersey number 14. Driving to the basket, jersey number 4. By foul. Jersey number 18. Team foul. Remaining time 12 minutes and 20 seconds. Starting score 5-3 naman po ang Luzon. One bonus shot for jersey number 4. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 4. We need 3 ball on bola. Jersey number 3. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 driving to the basket. Oh!
3 seconds. Nice one. Swing.
No good. Jersey number 3. Serving the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. Trevor. Oi! Napatawa ng club. Substitution rep. Captain. Number 10 out. Incoming Captain. Captain dribbling the ball. Captain. Pinasa kay Sir Choco. Oh! It's a foul. Ezra. Long bonus shot for Chocohi. Time 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Starting score 5-7. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 will bring the ball. Pinipiling na pasang bola. Jersey number 3. By time to 9 and 48 seconds. Starting score 5-6. Rebound by Jojo. Number 10. Jersey number 18, dribbles the ball, driving to the basket, early spin move on. Dribble ball back, Khaled Edward. Third down. Remaining time 8 minutes and 30 seconds. One more shot for jersey number 18. Pasok ang bonus shot ni jersey number 18. Jersey number 10. Captain. Pass to jersey number 10. Pass to Sejong. Jersey number 18 will bring the ball. Hello, comes over the ball. They steal the jersey number 10. Captain Young, they steal it. Oh, same ball. Number 10. Oy, tumira. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Captain. Pinasa kay Joker Hills. Same ball. Substitution rep. Jersey number 13 out. 21 in. Number 4 out. Number 4 in. Captain out. Sergio Palangao in. Palangao. Nawala ang bola. Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4. It's a traveling violation. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 18. Oy. Number 18. Good for 1 point. Palangao. Palangao. Nawala ang bola. Palangao. Binagbag. Number 10. Good for 1 point. 25, 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Standing score. All 8. Number 18. Number 18, good for 1 point. Jersey number 10, they bring the ball, pass to number 4, nasuntok ko nata. 6 minutes, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 18, tumira. Oy, tapos. Patingkang to boss. Debate on 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 4, serving the ball. Tumidis na Elvis Cantao. Shot clock. Counted pala yun. Red, sino ba Red? Jersey 9 blank. Okay, lamang na po ang team down. Number 18. Kulitis ka kaya number 18. Uy! It's a traveling violation. Number 7. Bisa ada yang mau berbohong. Pass to number 4. Kulitis ka kaya. Bumagsak. Number 4 pinagayaan number 7. Pass to Joko. Joko. Satu. Good. Number 18. Nice to be there, Joko. Joko. Out of bounds. Jersey number 18. Pass to number 14. Pinalang bola. Nah, nasungkit na foul. Foul jersey number 8. One bonus shot for jersey number 14. Substitution rep. Captain in. Number 7 out. Number 8 out. Number 10 in. 3 minutes and 12-7. Now about the jersey number 1-1 pass to captain. Captain kebirangan track down. Line ball. Abang bola pongan betul. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 18 pass to number 3. Solo pass to captain. Captain pinasakay number 10. Wala pa. Nakuha na number 10 ulit. Oy, good for 1 point. Number 18, binalang bola. Sinalaksak. Uy, dumeli pa. Good. Number 18. Tumukos cover. Number 18. Uy, nasundok ni captain. Captain. Nag-aarap ng pamataan si captain. Pinasakay number 10. Number 10. Uy, same ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Captain pass to Joko. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Violet ball. Indoor basketball. Remaining time of time. Palaraw pa rin. Ini bolang-bolang. Palaraw pas to number 4. Malakas. Pera ko pa number 4. Pinasakay Palaraw. Jatjak. Violation. Remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds. Number 18. Number 18 between the wall. Pinida. Good for 1 point. Pass to number 10. Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds. Pino holding the ball. Pinabit-tabing ni number 2. 5, 4, 3. Good. Number 18. Driving to the basket. Pinasakay number 13. Pero nakakuha ni Palaraw. Palaraw ngayon. Iniubos yung oras. Saka 5, 4. Number 13. Dispin mo pero aman. Number 10. Pass to number 17. Last 45 seconds. Foul on jersey number 18. On the substitution rep. 2 shots on jersey number 17 Palaraw. First shot. Good. Second shot. Attack. Oh, no good. Rebound by jersey number 14. Number 14 pass to nakuha ni captain. Nakuha ni Rudy. Pass to Palaraw. Jatjak. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. 1 point by jersey number 10. 25 seconds remaining. 2 points, jersey number 3. One point. 14 seconds remaining. Captain juga dalam bola. 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1.